Hey guys, day one of our Kale Pack Challenge and Fitness Challenge. I'm gonna start talking about some different stuff today. Number one, I remember though, for as long as I can remember, I've been told that this, while this is an axe handle right now and not the regular screaming stick, always represents a bolo or a machete or a big knife or a bowie, whatever. And there's a lot of reasons why we know that's not totally true. But one of them in particular is, if this was only a bolo or a machete, why do we have dos manos? Logical point, right? Today we're going to talk about some dos manos stuff. I'm just going to do a demonstration of all the strikes real quick. I normally do about 3 or 4 rounds like this a day of about 3 minutes each, stretched throughout the day. When you're doing each one of these, you'll want to do them left and right side, and you'll probably want to just focus on maybe 1 or 2 of these strikes at a time. This is just a kind of a little workout, but also going through so we're all on the same page with it. With that being said, let's get to it. We're going to talk about our striking surface, right? Our stick, or axe handle in this case, for what it is we're going to deal with the barrel strike. We're going to deal with the ends, here, here, or here, or here. The flats are okay. And also the puño striking from a dos manos format. Sometimes here, sometimes here, okay? Remember that you're going to want to do these left and right side, and from standing, kneeling, and on the ground, okay? Let's get to it. Strike number 1, the barrel strike. Think it's in a good strike? Ask Qui-Gon Jinn about it. We're going to take it at 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and 9 o'clock. We're going to work over there. We're going to get good shots. This might be this way. Sometimes it might be that way. Boom, boom. Back to see better. All right, that's 1, the barrel strike. Now our strikes can be a thrust or a hook, right? This is the hook. 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Both hands change. So make sure you do that. That's this one here. This is just coming up, hitting like that. 1. There's on your 3 o'clock. There's your 6 o'clock. There's your 9. That's the short thing on the barrel strike. The thrusting tip, right? We got this one, right? So we're going to get it 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock. All right? Hands up, changing hands, of course. 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock. We're going to footwork and all that. That's the thrusting along those lines. There's a hook also, which is a hook here. We're going to use a hook here, a hooking tip, and also here along this line. It can be with the edge or with the flat, doesn't matter. 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Right? Now, the puño strike. We're going to do this one like a thrust. We're fighting here. It's going on longer than I thought. Striking from back here. The old puño. 1. Or here. So it's going to be 1, 3, 6, 9. We're doing the hook first. Hooking. Or a hook here. Hooking. 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 Don't forget to get the hook, not just this way, but with this side of it coming back this way. So that's going to be hook at 12, hook at 3, hook at 6, hook at 9. Okay? Our puño thrusting. Just like a military, we're going to come in still. 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Right? Okay. So now we've covered all those. Let's look at the old combat X real quick, okay? The X, we start 2 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 4 o'clock, and 8 o'clock, right? we'll work the down one. Now that we've done all the strikes off this side, and then the barrel in the middle, we start working the X. I like this group here, both of them down. 2 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 10 o'clock. Yeah? Then also, there's down. There can be 8 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 4 o'clock. You'll want to get them up too. It's going to be 4 o'clock, 8 o'clock. Let's see, we're going to get that 2 o'clock, 10 o'clock. That'd be your 2 o'clock and your 10 o'clock. Put up on that angle. Okay? And then we can work the X. Boom, 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 boom. Up, down, down. And work that from there back and forth. Now the next and last thing that you'll want to do, and we can do a lot more of this later, is any dos manos attack, right? You know, up to 2 strikes followed by up to 2 or 3 strikes, single. So that looks something like, we start at 12 o'clock, we might do 12 o'clock, thrust, right? We might do 3 o'clock, right? 6 o'clock, hook and strike, and a cut. Boom, stab, stab. So you want to work your dos manos technique here, whichever one you like, around the clock, followed up with a, just by letting go and follow with a single hand strike. If you're unsure, cut the X. It's always good. If you're here, boom, you don't know what to do, the X always works. If you're here, bam, don't know what to do, the X always works, for the most part. So, try that. Work on that. And remember, dos manos rocks.